What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Christopher Manyweather here with Deadstock Barbershop. Jumping straight into this video, it is a simple, basic haircut, something that you might see on a daily basis in a barbershop. Everything's not going to be waves and tapers and fades and a whole bunch of different type of detailed work. This right here is a basic 2 on top, 1 on this side, and we're gonna merge the 2. We're gonna fade it into the other. So it's a 2 on the top or 1 on the side, and we're just gonna blend it on in, taper the bottom half and the back, and taper the sides, and it's gonna be done. So right now what you see me doing, I have my masters all the way open, which is pretty much gonna be the shortest point until we taper it out. But other than that, this is it. We're gonna blend it in with the Andis purple guards. And right now I'm just making sure that I'm taking all the hair down evenly, being as detailed as I can, because I don't want it to look streaky. I don't want it to have dark areas. I want it to be as even as possible. So the same thing I did to one side, I'm gonna do the other side, and we're kind of making a guideline. As you can see, instead of it being a bald fade or anything like that, you see that there's a guideline no matter what. So right now we're already down to the taper in the back. I'll close it up and I'll move it up halfway, and in between there I'll go 1/4 of the way, and then I'll go to 1/4 of the way, and then it's already blended at that point. So this is one of those haircuts that honestly you can get done 15 minutes depending on you, depending on what you got going on. If you guys want to sit and chop it up and spend the whole 30 minutes on the haircut, it's really up to you. But I've been cutting this guy's hair now for 8 years, and I can do this haircut so fast. It's probably like an 8-minute haircut, but we just talk and chop it up, and it's a simple cut, man, and I enjoy doing these kind of haircuts. And it's really good if you ever had to slide somebody in, or if you had to recover from being a little behind. Someone like this comes in, you can get caught up when if you were running about 10-15 minutes behind already, possibly. So the only thing about his haircut is, as you can see in the back, he has those very strong cowlicks as well as in the front. So you'll see me spend a little extra time making sure that all of that is blended well. But you see how fast that line comes out because it's a number 2. That purple 0, it works as like from the whatever that length is, the 1 all the way up to a 1.5, and it just blends in very well. So I'll open it up, and I'm just going in there and I'm checking those spots, making sure that it's not dark in certain areas, and I'll change my lever just like that. And I'm just hitting at everything that I see, trying to make it as smooth of a transition as possible. And it's just a very easy haircut to do. As you can see, as I'm in the longer areas, I'll open it up. As I get to the lower lengths, I'll close it down. And this is the only guard that you'll need to complete this haircut. And I'm just checking his hair from different angles. And as you can see, he still has some darker areas in there that I just want to lighten up. Because like I said, he has those crazy cowlicks in the back. His swirls are just wild back there. And right now I'm just going through and I'm looking, making sure that I don't leave any dark areas. And I'll taper the sides out. The longest length is the master's open, so it should be very easy to fade it out. Close it, and you open it up halfway, then 1/4 away, then on the 4th notch, and then it's done. Same thing over here. Gonna fade that sideburn in for him a little bit. I think he's growing the beard out. And as you can see, his hairline in the front is kind of wild too, but we'll make it work. He's got a pretty strong cowlick on that front right side that I'm working on right now. And then it's a little light on the left side, but we'll work around it, make it look good. So I like to start in the middle, work my way out, and then we'll hit the C cup. Then I'll connect these vertical bars to the top and the side. It's kind of thin over there, so I'm just tapping it at first. Just hit it and clean it up. Same thing over here. I'll start right there and I'll curve it down. Meet it at the bottom and curve it up. It's kind of like sketching it in first, and then I'll go and I'll connect it all the way. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of this content I've been putting out. I know it's a lot to consume, a lot to take in, but I've been enjoying it, and it should be so much easier to get you guys weekly content. You know, maybe a vlog and a video, a tutorial a week. You know, I might even just go live one day and just try to get you guys maybe 2 or 3 different pieces of content weekly. At first I would have thought it was impossible, but now I know, like, if I can post videos every day, I can do anything. So I start in the middle again, work my way out. Always check your watch to see where you're at in your appointment. Especially when you're a booked up barber, you want to make sure that, hey man, I know I got somebody coming in right after this guy. I can't afford to get behind. So what I like to do is I'll come and I'll look, check it. I'll see that the right side or the left, my left or his left, my right needs to come up a little bit to make it look a little straighter. And that's what I'll do. So always checking your mirrors, always checking, you know, your perspective on the edge up. Now we're already to the back. Man, the haircut's almost over. Getting behind that ear, make it nice and clean. If you guys notice, I like to do it. It's not really dark in there. The top light is off, but I do have a couple ring lights set up, and I feel like it allows me to see his edge up better. Do the same thing to this side. And I enjoy cutting hair. It's relaxing. My customers come in, they relax, I'm relaxed with them, and we just have a good time. So now I go straight in with that razor. It is dry. I don't have any gel or anything on there. I prefer it this way. And I just work my way down, following that same line, cleaning it up so his hairline can last a couple more days. I know it varies based on the customer, but how long would you guys say? Leave a comment below. How long do you guys think the razor actually gives them? Like, how many extra days do they have before their edge up grows back? But yeah, these are the finishing touches. This is a simple, I can't stress it anymore. It's a simple haircut. Like I said, 2 on top, masters all the way open on the side, purple 0 to blend it in, and edge up, razor edge, and we're done, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the Vlogmas series that I'm doing. I appreciate you. I appreciate the consistency that I'm getting out of this, and even the fact that you guys are sticking with me through this journey. So this is it. This is Vlogmas day 21 wrapped up, and stay tuned because every day this week will be a tutorial style video. I appreciate you guys once again. Many Weather out.